love on you like I might be naive, but you more than a dream.
What's up? What's up? It's your girl Mariah, and I am back with another short horror reaction video. Short horror. Blah, blah, blah. What? All right, listen. I'm a little lit. We just gonna skip to it. Like I'm a little lit. So welcome back to another short horror film reaction video. Okay, boom boom pow. One and done. Let's get right into it. This one is called Pursuit of Jigsaw. As you guys can see, for some reason, it's been starting to have, like, every movie that's already out, every horror movie, not every horror movie, but 2 so far. That first one, I definitely forgot, but if you guys checked it out, you know what I'm talking about. I don't even know. I'm gonna see. And then, now this one. So, we're gonna see what it's like, because everybody know Jigsaw, or everybody should know Jigsaw. But, yeah. Get your snacks, get your food, get your drinks. I got my mango wine, my fruscato, and some Arby's, chicken tenders, and mozzarella sticks. So, let's get into it. Alright, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. This is by...
With only 1 month.
Hold on, narrator. Hold on. By Mizrahi. I don't want to mispronounce it. I'm so sorry. I'm not even going to... I tried, but so sorry. Powell. That last name. Oh. But let's get into it. There's too much going on right now.
Until marriage, I have to keep my distance. Looking at the couples around me, I see a steady loss in individualism. The way that, over time, they adapt to one another.
The thumbnail, it was like 2 faces.
Human Jigsaw.
It was crazy. One was over here, one right here. I don't know.
How do you know that you're alive? For me, it's the spinning wheel of an automobile in morning traffic. It tells me that life has moved beyond the divergence of yesterday. The cycle continues. And nothing has changed.
How you know that car did though? You feel me?
The problem is, I live in a town where the main occupation is pretending to be someone who you aren't. He didn't intend to be this way. He used to have a voice exactly like this. Until one day, it just faded away. I can't imagine how your voice can just fade away.
Y'all see me trying to get a closer
I
look?
suppose it would sound like this. You're having a thought, when all of a sudden it gets quieter and quieter and quieter. Just like that. But the voice never returns.
Don't look at me like that.
My voice is here to stay.
Let me know what they're saying down in the comments if y'all can read lips. I can read lips. For sure. The smallest words I can read. Not a whole monologue.
So you understand, Benjamin. You cannot simply make decisions on your own anymore. You're part of a team now.
What?
I completely understand, sir.
Sorry I'm late. I was swimming at the beach, and while I may or may not have forgotten that this was tonight.
You know, Ben, you better get your mess-ups in while you can, buddy. 1 month, buddy. Don's not gonna be having it anymore.
Yo, Arby's is fire. This is not sponsored.
Maybe you could take me
Right.
with you one of these days. We're part of a team now.
Ooh.
I don't see why not.
One more month. Oh, Mary?
Let's eat.
She saw you, my guy. And you don't care. Look. She about to go crazy. Oh. Crying and eating hurt so bad. So bad. Is that a head in the back? Chill. She ain't wanna kiss you.
Want to go to the beach tomorrow?
The thought of going to the beach with her made me numb. I couldn't spare to lose the place that made me so happy. The place that is my own.
I'm just trying to figure out
One piece of
how so many films we put into the horror category, because it just be seeming like a regular short film or a mystery film, or let me see, because there've been a few of them that I've watched and I'm like, it's not really horror. I seen one that was like horror comedy. I was like, eh. If I'm watch comedy, it gotta be mixed with something else. It can't be with horror because, well, I mean, A Haunted House, that was like horror comedy, I guess you could say. Like Scary Movie 3 and, you know, yeah. Okay. Alright, that one passed for the horror comedy. But for like some of the other ones, like this one, I don't really see how this passed to be a horror. I'm like, what the fuck is going on right now? And no, I'm not saying that it's a bad film or anything. I'm just saying that the category, I want to know where the category fit in at, because I think it should be placed in a different category. I ain't asked you to stare at me. You don't gotta be all disgusted and whatnot. Oh. This is like some. It's like some mind game. Boy died. Died. How you gonna swim across a whole nother ocean on top of you? That was the thumbnail. That's him. He became a part of them. I don't even know what the fuck they are. Fuck am I looking at? Listen, that's like some mind playing junk right there. Like, I don't even know. That's some mind playing shit. The whole setup, the sound. I don't know what the fuck going on. Too much. Too much. Too much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Everything will be in the description box below as always. And I need some zombie action. I need some shooting, some something. Alright. Come on. At least make the come on. I need something more to the horror. Make it interesting. Let's go. Let's just, I don't know. But I need some zombies. 100% I need some zombies. So if it's gonna be a horror category, it needs to have zombies. Point blank period. It needs to have shooting. 100%. I'll see y'all in the next one. I don't even know. I'll see y'all. I'll see y'all. Hopefully, maybe next time y'all see me, I'll have my hair straight, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. No promises, because I'll stay baby doll forever. Later. I'm chatting. Oh my god, now the shit is fucked up. The struggle right now. Alright, there we go.